Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. You know, someone has said it so beautifully, if you want to change your future, change your habits, because changed habits can truly transform your life. Let me share this amazing story that hits home for all of us. Once upon a time, there was a wise guru and his young disciple walking through a dense jungle. As they strolled along the path, the guru's eyes fell on a tiny little plant, fresh and green, just sprouting from the ground. He stopped and said to the disciple, "Beta, try uprooting this plant." The disciple thought, "Arey, this is too easy." He bent down, gave it a quick tug, and poof, it was out in a second. The guru smiled knowingly, nodded, and they continued walking. A bit further, they spotted another plant, a bit bigger this time, about 3 to 4 feet tall. Guruji said, "Now, uproot this one too." The disciple had to put in a little more effort, but after a few minutes of pulling, he managed to yank it out. Guruji just nodded again, and off they went. After some more walking, they came across an even larger bush, around 7 to 8 feet high, with thick roots digging deep into the soil. Guruji grinned and said, "Go on, uproot this as well." Now, the disciple really had to sweat it out. He pulled with his hands, pushed with his feet, got all tired and breathless. But after a good struggle, he finally uprooted it. He looked at Guruji, expecting praise, but the Guru stayed quiet and kept moving. Just a short distance ahead, there stood a massive tree, at least 20 feet tall, with strong, deep roots gripping the earth like iron. Guruji paused, turned to the disciple, and said, "Now, uproot this one." The disciple was shocked. He stared at Guruji and exclaimed, "Guruji, what are you saying? How can I uproot such a huge tree? It would take the whole day, and even then, it might not budge." Hearing this, Guruji burst into laughter and said, "Exactly, my child. That's what I brought you here to teach. This tree didn't grow this big in a day. When it was a small plant, anyone could have uprooted it easily. But as time passed, its roots grew deeper and stronger, making it almost impossible to remove now." The disciple pondered, realizing Guruji wasn't just talking about trees. There was a deeper lesson. Guruji continued, "Human bad habits are just like this. When a habit is new, it's easy to let go. But if you don't stop it in time, it sinks deep roots into your life, like this tree. No matter how hard you try later, getting rid of it becomes a massive challenge." The disciple bowed his head, finally understanding why they were in the jungle. Guruji added, "If there's any bad habit sprouting in you, uproot it right now. The longer you wait, the deeper it goes, and the tougher it gets to change." Friends, this isn't just a story for that disciple, it's a big life lesson for all of us. We all have those small habits in our lives, right? Like telling little lies, getting angry too quickly, or being lazy. They seem harmless at first, but if not checked, they grow into big problems that control our future. So, if this story inspired you and you want to spread this message to more people, hit that like button. It helps YouTube push this video to others who need it. And if you loved it, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more such motivational tales. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, be patient, be grateful, and keep moving forward in life. Take care.